Today, I'll show you how to add a clean border outline to your videos in just a few clicks. This is perfect for making your footage stand out or adding a creative frame effect. Let's jump in. First, import your video into the timeline and make sure it's selected. Now, head over to the effects panel and search for border. You'll see a few options pop up. Just drag and drop the border effect onto your clip. Right away, you'll see a thin outline around your video, but we can customize it. Select your clip, then go to the Effects tab on the right side editing panel. Here you can adjust the size, color, and opacity of the border. If you want a bold look, then increase the size slider. If you need a subtle frame, then simply lower the opacity. And that's it. A quick and easy way to add a border to your videos in Filmora. Play around with different colors and styles to match your edit. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Filmora tips.